What measures are being done, if there are any, to fast-track its rehabilitation work?
It's always it's part of our continuing plan for the rehabilitation of what's happened, because even up to now, some of the governors, I was talking to them, some of the other officials, hindi talaga pa tayo nakapag fully recover. Hindi ba natin masasabi na kapag fully recover pa na tayo sa Yolanda. So that's still that all those rehabilitation, we only really started 2 years ago, because nothing was done in the previous administration. Nothing was done in the administration before that. So now, how long? 12 years on, ngayon pa lang talaga natin na inaasikaso ng mabuti. So, but the plan is there. The funding will be available whenever the schedule requires it.